Are you gonna open presents tomorrow morning?
No.
Are you gonna open them? Do you have stocking? Do we have a doggy stocking for you? Who's here? Did Santa bring you gifts? Yeah. Who's here? What? Santa?
It's the kitty.
Santa? Santa, is that you? Who is it? Did you get Snick Fritz a Christmas present? Because she's your sister, you know.
Where's your jammies?
Where's your jammy? Did you get Snuggie?
Here you go. Here you go, baby.
Did you get a
There's your little jammies.
Okay, here's your jammies. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, just relax in your jammies. Okay.
He did. Look at him. He put his head down.
Okay, here's your second pair of your bottoms. Okay. Okay. There's your Snuggie. Okay. We opened them for you. You didn't
Did you get him a
have to.
Snuggie?
You didn't have to open it. We did. Right? Where's your mom? Where's your mom? Is that your mom? Is that your mom? I know, I can't find her either. Louie, what was that? What? Is it, do you see Santa? And the elves? And the reindeer? Where's Rudolph? Where? Where'd you see?
On the roof. Roof.
On the roof? The roof? The roof? Is it in the fireplace? Louie? Are we gonna have this much fun with Baby Zachary? I don't know. Can he wink at the camera? Are you comfy and cozy in your pajamas? What was that? Louie?
He's tired.
No.
You want some cheese?
What? Cheese? Did you see cheese?
Did you want some cheese?
Chi-chi?
What? Wait, I'll take cheese and a treat. Yeah, I'll take that cheese right there. Is that my Christmas present, guys? Now say please. Say please. Say please. Say please. Say please. Now listen here, Mary. You want some cheese? Say please. Say please. Good boy. That's my good little dog. Mallet. Good dog. Are you gonna sleep?